Hey guys, I want to make sure you all get a good start on the group activity that's due on Sunday. So I'm going to record this little video of my screen to show you how to access the group collaborations. So if I'm on the home screen, what I would do is on your left-hand menu, I would go to People. And yours is probably going to look a little bit different than mine, but if you go to Writers Groups, those are the groups that we're going to use for this assignment and probably quite a few group assignments coming up. I see all the groups. You're probably just going to see yours. If you click here, you'll see all the names in your group, and you'll be able to click on these and access email addresses, things like that. But what I would do is instead I'd go over here to the three dots and go Visit Group Homepage. And this is a page that's really similar to the page for our whole class. The difference is it's only accessible to your group. So any of you can post an announcement for your group. You can do that there, or you can do that by going over here to announcements. So we've already have a cool announcement from Emily to her group saying, hey, reply, so we can put these slides together. Great way to get started. A couple of other groups. So if I switch the group here to, I believe it's group 2, and I go, instead of announcements, I go to discussions. I'm going to see a discussion that was started here by Gianna. Way to go, Gianna. And Alex responded, and it looks like they're working on putting together some Google Slides to create a presentation. Couple of things to clarify. I have not created the Google Slides presentation for you because I think it's better if each group creates their own instead of having a huge group of slides that are editable, and unfortunately there could be a mistake where someone's slides get deleted. So each group's going to create their own Google Slides link, share it with their group. Everyone needs to contribute, and this first assignment's super easy. It's just introducing your group members, and make sure to look at the questions that I posted on the assignment link, and make sure you answer all those questions, and only one slides needs to be turned in for the whole group. So choose one responsible person who's going to turn in the slides for your whole group, and you're good to go. Okay, definitely email me if you have any other questions on how to access groups. Just remember, go to People, click on your Writers group, click on the little three dots to the side. That'll take you to this section here where you've got a lot of really cool ways to get in touch with each other, announcements, discussions, probably what you'll use for this assignment. Throughout the semester, we may use Pages and some of these other tools as well. All right, definitely email me if you have any questions.